Education First nonprofit division Educational Homestay Programs invites you to host a Chinese student ages 12 to 18 this summer. From July 17th to August 5th, 34 students will be taking English classes in the mornings and participating in local adventures in the afternoons. The program lasts 3 weeks, and we keep the students busy with a great calendar of events Monday through Friday. Host families are responsible for drop-off and pickup at the beginning and end of the day during the week to a local course center, providing meals, a bed, and 2 weekends of quality time. This is a wonderful opportunity to share your culture and bring China into your home. Speaking from experience, this could change your children's futures and open their minds. Imagine this: a free place to stay with a complimentary local tour guide when someone in your family travels to China. The students are really excited about teaching you how to make dumplings, learning about what families are like in the US. And well, they're just adorable. Host a student and get a sticker and a mock passport. Host 2 students and get 2 stickers. You can host up to 4 students. 5 stickers provides you with a $200 reward towards any type of travel expense. If you can only host part of the time, we may be able to find you a patch family for the remainder of the time. Can't host at all, but want to assist us in our mission? Successfully refer a host family and receive a $25 incentive that you can put towards a fundraiser or organization. Please contact me, Falmouth resident and program leader, Karen Oppenheim, at 508-221-7609 or caryn.opp@gmail.com. Visit us at our Facebook page, EF USA Educational Homestay Programs in Central Mass, or our website, www.efhomestay.org.